Most angle grinders sold today are underpowered hacks that overheat and stall on tough metal. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Ever battled grinding dust and vibration that leaves your arms numb? This video will help you pick a reliable, powerful, comfortable option every time. Today, I'm going to be going over the best angle grinder that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the AVID POWER Angle Grinder. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and pros tackling metal grinding, cutting, and rust removal in home workshops, this grinder targets versatility. Built with a premium brushed aluminum shell, it feels exceptionally durable in daily use while remaining surprisingly light. The two-position side handle offers improved control for left or right-handed users, while the adjustable guard keeps you safer during operation. Equipped with a 6.5 amp motor delivering 750 watts, it reaches 11,500 RPM for quick results. The tool uses a 7/8 inch arbor and a 5/8 inch threaded spindle, making wheel changes across most brands easy. This 4.5 inch grinder accepts standard discs, supporting a wide range of cutting and grinding wheels for metal projects. The wheel guard can be adjusted with a screwdriver to different angles, reducing exposure while you work around tight corners. With a brushed motor, replacement carbon brushes are readily available to extend service life and minimize downtime when wear occurs. In real-world testing, the AVID POWER Angle Grinder maintains steady performance across light metal grinding and rust removal tasks with smooth operation. In a direct comparison with a popular 5-inch grinder from a leading brand, this model delivers steadier control and noticeably lower vibration. The pros include exceptional balance for extended use, rugged build quality that resists wear, and versatile wheel compatibility. The cons include a higher price relative to budget grinders and a heavier feel that may tire users during extended sessions. With 2 grinding wheels included and a user-friendly guard, the AVID Power System suits entry-level shops seeking immediate value. Replacement carbon brushes are readily available, ensuring minimal downtime and continued performance when the brushed motor shows wear. At number 4, we have the AVID POWER Angle Grinder. From the moment you lift it, the build quality communicates durability with a robust shell and a comfortable grip. Designed for both home shop projects and professional renovations, the AVID POWER Angle Grinder emphasizes user comfort with a textured rubber overmold grip. The tool provides a no-load speed range from 3,000 to 11,500 RPM, adapting to various materials. The paddle switch with lock-on button reduces fatigue during continuous operation by keeping your hand in a steady ergonomic position. A full wheel guard and an extended body distance the wheel from the user, enhancing safety during aggressive cuts and grinding. The tool uses an integrated spindle lock for quick wheel changes and a 2-position handle for better control. The package includes 2 cutting wheels, 2 metal grinding wheels, a lock nut wrench, a side handle, and spare carbon brushes. Whether you tackle metal fabrication, automotive maintenance, or home projects, the AVID POWER Angle Grinder provides a versatile platform for many tasks. In tests, it maintains steady torque across variable speeds and handles cutting and grinding wheels with minimal vibration. The AVID POWER Angle Grinder model proves reliable over time thanks to rugged motor windings and a protective casing that resists heat. With widely available replacement wheels and standard consumables, you can keep cutting with minimal downtime. Compared with a leading DeWalt model, this AVID POWER Angle Grinder delivers similar RPM range and versatility at a friendlier price. The pros include durable build, ergonomic grip, and flexible speed control. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the AVID POWER Angle Grinder, a rugged option built for DIY enthusiasts demanding consistent power and safety. This tool targets first-time builders and seasoned hobbyists who value a balanced, affordable grinder capable of cutting, grinding, and rust removal tasks. Its low weight combined with a 2-position side handle creates a comfortable 2-handed grip ideal for overhead or ground-level applications. The housing is compact yet sturdy, and the tool-free guard system allows quick spark deflection adjustments to suit various work angles. Weighing roughly 3.64 pounds, the grinder offers surprising maneuverability for long sessions without shoulder fatigue. It uses a standard 7/8 inch arbor with a 5/8 inch threaded spindle, ensuring broad compatibility with popular wheels. The included tool-free guard can adjust for different spark angles, while the 2-position side handle ensures stable operation for both hands. A robust 900-watt motor drives this tool, delivering up to 12,000 RPM for efficient metal grinding and rapid material removal. In our testing, rust removal and rebar cutting felt steady with minimal vibration, and the spindle lock kept disc changes fast without tools. With a 4.5-inch wheel capacity, it excels in tight spaces where larger grinders struggle to clear corners and edges. While primarily metal-oriented, the grinder is compatible with masonry tasks when paired with diamond discs, expanding versatility for tile and concrete work. In a direct comparison with a rival 6-amp model, the AVID POWER feels more controllable and handles continuous work longer. The pros include strong build, spindle lock for quick disc changes, and starter accessories that reduce setup time. The cons include diamond discs not included and heavy industrial tasks that may test the grinder's endurance in tough situations. At number 2, we have the AVID POWER Angle Grinder. From first glance, this grinder feels sturdy and balanced, clearly designed for DIYers and home workshop operators tackling metal grinding tasks. This model weighs only 3.2 pounds, delivering light maneuverability and reduced fatigue during extended grinding sessions. The tool uses a 7/8-inch arbor with a 5/8-inch threaded spindle, ensuring broad wheel compatibility across popular disc brands. The screw-on guard and 2-position side handle offer added control and safety for both left and right-handed users during use. Included with the grinder are 2 grinding wheels, expanding immediate usability for metal grinding while optional cuts and discs broaden capabilities. Engineered to minimize vibration through balanced design, this grinder maintains precise control and reduces operator fatigue during rust removal. Powerful yet compact, its performance covers most light projects with minimal setup and quick wheel changes, even under challenging angles. With an adjustable side handle and screw-on guard, the grinder offers enhanced control and safety during aggressive applications. Replacement carbon brushes are readily available, ensuring you can extend service life with minimal downtime when worn eventually. During real-world testing, it holds steady performance under light loads, delivering consistent grinding without noticeable slowdowns or stoppages. Compared to a typical budget 4.5-inch grinder, the AVID POWER model offers noticeably smoother operation and better balance. The pros include a lightweight design that reduces fatigue, 2 grinding wheels included, and broad wheel compatibility for many brands. The cons include higher price compared to basic models and ongoing maintenance due to brush wear in the brush motor. At number 1, we have the AVID POWER Angle Grinder. AVID POWER Angle Grinder is designed for dedicated DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliable metal grinding power at a practical price. Its rugged steel housing and 4.5-inch wheel diameter plus an integrated spindle lock ensure sturdy, precise operation. Weighing 3.64 pounds, the grinder remains impressively portable for quick one-handed adjustments and easy transport between tasks. Powered by a 900-watt motor delivering up to 12,000 RPM, it maintains steady performance in demanding metal grinding tasks. Versatile for metal cutting, grinding, polishing, and rust removal, it supports masonry work with optional diamond discs when available. The tool-free adjustable safety guard deflects sparks and debris, while the spindle lock enables quick disc changes without extra tools. With a 2-position side handle, it enables both right and left-handed users to maintain a stable 2-handed grip. The grinder ships with 2 metal cutting wheels, 2 metal grinding wheels, 1 flap disc, 1 adjustable wheel guard, and a spanner wrench. In practical tests, the AVID POWER Angle Grinder maintains steady torque during grinding and remain comfortable due to reduced vibration and balanced weight. Compared with a typical budget Black & Decker model, the AVID POWER offers stronger power delivery and longer motor life under similar tasks. The pros include a powerful motor with high RPM stability, convenient tool-free disc changes, and a comprehensive accessory kit. The cons include a slightly higher price point and a bit heavier chassis compared with ultra-compact rivals. To maximize longevity, regularly inspect the guard, change discs carefully, and store the tool in a dry area away from moisture. Overall, this model delivers practical power, robust construction, and value for serious DIY metalworkers prioritizing performance over the lowest price.